Hello everybody, myself Dr. Ashok Kumar Viswarapur, Associate Professor and Research Guide, Department of Education, Karnataka State Akkamadevi Women's University, Vijaypura. Today we shall discuss about the psychosocial tools and techniques. Let us see what is psychosocial. Friends, we all human beings are well versed with the fears and that in a social setting. Though we are social beings, we all experiencing the fears. That's what psychosocial. Though we are social beings, we are suffering from a psyche, a fear that boosts the psychosocial aspect. Now let us see some concepts which are very important. Method. Method is a particular procedure which enhances approaching a subject matter. Technique, a way of carrying a particular task. Approach, a way of dealing a situation. This is a psychosocial context, that is what the meaning of approach is, way of dealing a situation. Tool, because most often we all the researchers are using this term oftenly. A device which is used for a particular assessment. Test items means the statements or questions. Why we need psychosocial tools and techniques? There are some psychological factors. Keep in mind, psychological factors and the factors what we are experiencing in social environment, both psychological factors and social environment together leads to physical and mental wellness. We need psychosocial tools and techniques because our psychological factors and our existing in a social environment both together we need for our physical and mental wellness. And then what do you mean by psychosocial tool? Psychosocial tool is a measuring which is for psychological functions. We are using the psychosocial tool to measure psychological functions that are like memory, perception, attention, anxiety and anger management, phobias and fears, depression and mood disorders, school refusal and issues, developmental disorders, friendship concern, attention deficit disorders. And what is psychological techniques? Methods or approaches used in the diagnosis and treatment of behavioral, personality, and mental disorders. Those are child and adolescent disorders, depression, specific phobias due to animals, lightning, and water, insomnia, schizophrenia, and other several mental illness, which are common nowadays in this pandemic issue. What is the importance of the psychosocial techniques? To study psychological and social behavior of an individual, where we have to use these tools and techniques. Standardized tools and techniques by experts. Where these tools and techniques are available. These tools and techniques are available in the standardized form and standardized by experts at NCRT National Psychological Corporation (NPC), which is at Agra, or any other agencies. How to construct a tool? Constructing a standardized tool is very important. First of all, we should chart out the parameters of the variable selected for a study, and we have to find out the parameters of the variable. Second point, items of the test. Third point, analysis of the test item. These three points are very important in constructing a tool. And next one, difficulty, apart from those 3 points, the fourth point is difficulty level of the test items. What extent it has its own difficulty, because the learner's response is also very important. Pre-test and post-test, to see, to check out to what extent the reality of the test is, to what extent the learners are respond. And reliability and validity. The reliability and validity means curriculum, language, and standardization of the tool. In this aspect, we have to uh, construct a tool. Hope you got the information. Thank you. Thank you and all. Wear the mask and maintain social distance. Let us fight against the pandemic issue by maintaining a social distance. Please subscribe and press the bell button. Thank you. Thank you and all.